Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello everyone, today you are going to learn about how to create this amazing 3D letter portrait in Canva. If you want to learn it, then keep on watching. First, we are going to add a frame, so click on Elements and search for Frames R. Now let's add a photo in that frame. Click on Photos, search Run, you will get many options here. Add a photo of your choice. This one is also a great option to add to your design. Adjust photo. Again, add the same photo. Remove background now. Adjust image. Crop image and adjust everything. Now let's check the final output. Thank you for watching till the end. If you want a free Canva template, check out the description box below.